Sadie, what's the matter? What's the matter, Sadie? What's the matter, Sadie? Oh, someone upset.
He's really upset right now.
Sadie, do you need to speak your mind? Hey, Sadie. Sadie. Sadie, speak. 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 Oh, good boy. Good boy. Oh, what are you doing, huh? You getting closer? Sadie. 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 What are you doing? Crazy boy. He's too busy. Look at his pee-pee. What's going on in there, huh? Hey. Sadie. No, no, no. No, no, no. Sit down. Sit down. Sadie. Sadie. Speak. Sadie, speak. Speak. Oh! Sadie, can I have high five? Can I have high five? Can I have high five? Oh, yeah? High five. High five, boy. Can I don't know? Oh, yeah. High five. Good boy. What other tricks can you do?
I don't know. He's kind of sad right now.
Why you sad, Sedsters?
He
You tired, huh?
yeah, he was like, what the hell? I want to go to bed. Stop making me perform. Oh no, he's hanging. He's having a good time on the bed today.
He likes it. Alright, Sadie. Sadie. Hey. Uh-oh. Who's here? Who's here?
Who just came in the door? It's Milo.
We got actions.
It's Milo.
Go say hi.
Hi, Milo.
No.
No.
No chewing wires.
Don't say it.
Go say hi to your brother.
Cedric.
Oh, it's National Geographic. Aww.
Good boy, Sadie. Sadie, don't.
Oh shit.
Oh, it's
Oh
a
my
boxing
God.
match. Sadie was just trying to be nice to him. Sadie,
All right.
leave it.
Bye,
Oh.
Cedric. Oh my God.